How to do a breast lymphatic drainage massage at home. Step 1. Clear your lymph nodes. Start by stimulating the lymphatic nodes in your armpits. Place your palm inside your armpit with your index finger on the outside and gently pump upwards into your armpits. Repeat 5 to 10 times on each side. Step 2. Massage your breasts. Massage your breasts towards your lymph nodes by placing your palm under your breast and massaging along the bra line up and into your armpits. Repeat 3 times on each side. Place your palm over your breastbone in the center of your chest. Imagine drawing a rainbow with your fingers towards your armpits while gently massaging your breast with the whole hand. Place the palm of one hand below your breast and gently hold it. Using the palm of your other hand, massage your breast towards your collarbone. Step 3. Shake your breasts. You can freestyle this step. It's important to feel comfortable with your breasts and have fun. One option is to simply hold a breast with both hands and give it a little jiggle or pump inwards towards the chest bone. Repeat on both breasts. Alternatively, hold your breasts with both hands and pump them inwards in circular motions while rotating your shoulders. Step 4. Send love to your breasts. Hug your breasts with both hands. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. As you inhale, imagine sending a majestic rainbow in love into your heart. As you exhale, imagine releasing a gray cloud of any residual feelings of stress or emotional pain. This is where your heart chakra is. Treat it with self-love and acceptance.